Many thanks for staying with us on TVC Midday News. Let's now turn attention to the National Assembly, where the chief medical directors of teaching hospitals in Nigeria have raised concerns that hospitals may soon be empty as doctors, nurses, and other skilled health workers are leaving the country due to lack of remuneration and poor pay packages. National Assembly correspondent Joki Adisa has more.
It's the turn of heads of teaching hospitals to speak to their budget performance in 2024 and the projections for the new year. The House Committee on Health Institutions charges its guests to be thorough in their presentation in order to provide a clear picture of their situations.
The reality is that you must extract the proposal made by Mr. President as it affects your medical center. It should be part of your budget, your presentation.
The Japa syndrome is affecting the nation's hospitals and threatens their continued existence. The chief medical directors recognize the huge funds being put into hospital infrastructure by the government, but say economic reasons are forcing health workers out of the country. Consultants earn less than $1,000 a month. The CMDs fear the hospitals may become virtually empty in the next 2 years if nothing is done to redress the situation.
Who resign, we have a lot of issues. Retire, not even retirement is the most resignation almost every day.
Total overhead was also released. I would say that for the first time, at least since I became a CMD, we had 99.9%.
Senator Akpabio called for strengthening of bilateral ties between Nigeria and Cote d'Ivoire. He told the Ivorian lawmakers that Cote d'Ivoire and Nigeria are not merely neighbors, but partners in the grand endeavor of African progress. The Senate President commended the Speaker of the Ivorian National Assembly, Adama Bictogo, for his leadership, which he described as a symbol of reconciliation and unity, and also paid praise to Ivorian President Alassane Ouattara for the great work he's doing in his country. He urged all the members of the Assembly to work hand in hand to address the scourge of human trafficking, enhance security cooperation, and invest in the future of the youth.
De l'Afrique. Monsieur le Président de l'Assemblée nationale, votre leadership est un symbole de la réconciliation et de l'unité. Il est rare que tous les partis politiques d'un pays parviennent à un candidat consensuel et l'élisent à son poste. Transformer le consensus en action tangible et au-delà des divisions pour préparer à la Côte d'Ivoire à un avenir plus éclatant. Restez un symbole d'espoir et de réconciliation. Priorisez les populations. Levez-vous comme vous l'avez toujours fait au-delà de